Hello students, welcome to e-learning session. Today we'll learn about what is administration. Okay. For administration, constitution has three pillars. First one, legislature, where laws are made. Second one is executives, which run administration of our country. And third one is judiciary. Here laws are made. It is called as parliament. This is Union Council of Ministers which implements it. And this is judiciary system, Supreme Court. It supervises the laws and implementation of the laws. So constitution has three pillars. First one, legislatives. Second pillar is called as executive. And third pillar is called as judiciary. This judiciary system, it does not involve in making and implementing laws. It supervises how that laws are made, whether they are constitutional or not. And it also supervises whether the government is implementing it properly or not. Understood? The concept is clear now. Till now, we learned about the constitution, the three pillars of constitution. Now we will understand the administration of our constitution. Now here, union government, it implements, it makes laws, it implements the laws. So who makes laws? Government. Government has to make laws on different subjects. First one, government has to make laws defending the borders of our country. Now, how these boundaries are defended? Against which countries? We know that India shares its boundaries with different countries. Number one, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Myanmar, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. So maybe sometimes terrorists, they cross the border. So in order to protect our citizens from terrorists, sometimes or the trafficking of drugs. So in order to protect it, our government has to make laws to protect the boundaries. Government also has to make laws protecting the people from external aggression. So to protect the people, especially living in border area, government has to make laws. Government has to give them special protections against the attack of external, means other countries. Apart from this, government has to make laws in creating employment and education and health. So employment generation is important for the people to survive. Okay, so when people get job in different fields, so they will meet their necessities. Understood? They can develop themselves. So due to employment, so it becomes possible when government makes laws. Now education and health. Nowadays modernization in education is very important. So government has to make laws to modern the education, and we also experienced in the last month, in the month of July, government has made certain changes in education field. Nowadays we can able to get the education regarding to make the mobile apps. Understood? Till now we were dependent on other countries. Nowadays we are making, but it becomes possible at school level. So it is helpful to create the employment also. So skill based education is very important. So it is possible due to government's authority given by constitution in different fields. So education and health, we know that our country is facing the problem of corona. So in order to fight, the people who are in medical fields, they need PEP kits. So for that purpose, government took immediate decisions and then made available these kits. This is possible because of the laws. Government has to make laws. Why government has to make laws? Government has to make laws to bring desirable changes in society. So how the government can bring desirable changes in the society? By implementing these laws, government can bring the desirable changes. For example, we will take example of space research. Now, in earlier, when India got freedom in 1947, 15 August 1947, at that time India was not able to launch satellite in the space. So, India seeked this knowledge from other countries, but no country was willing to share knowledge with India. So we started launching the satellites which are only of size of pen, small pens. And nowadays we are successful to launch hundreds of satellites at a time. This becomes possible only because government made laws in the field of space. And then government implemented it. Understood, students? So as a result, we are now pioneer in this field, and you are now experiencing the Chandrayaan 2, and then other is that Mangalyaan. So how it becomes possible? Because of implementation of laws. India was successful launching Chandrayaan 2 mission to probe the other side of the moon. Understood? Even now, after 1 year, I think India is going to launch it. And public cleanliness. Government made certain laws regarding public cleanliness. Why? To protect people from certain diseases. So, by launching campaign in public cleanliness, government achieved some success. Nowadays, people are collecting garbage separately, biodegradable and non-degradable. So the degradable garbage is collected in separate bins and non-degradable is also collected in separate bins. So this become possible. And why it is necessary? Let me explain. Why it become necessary for government to make laws in public cleanliness? This is because Mumbai flood. Understood? So in Mumbai experienced flood during monsoon season. This is because of garbage. People, they throw garbage, they purchase everything, and these shopping bags were made up of plastic, and some were packed in thermocol. So the people throw these plastics on the road. These plastics get deposited in underground gutter, and these gutters get choked. So as a result, Mumbai experienced flood during monsoon. Understood? In order to make people aware about cleanliness, government made laws and implemented it. I hope you understood well about the constitution and governance. We'll meet in next session. Till then, bye.